large smallie.
What is it?
Smallmouth.
All right. The net?
Actually, yeah, I might.
Okay, I got a lure out of on my foot. I think I can do it. Oh, look at that. Beauty. Oops, sorry.
No, you're fine.
Raise him a little bit. Oh, look at that.
Oh!
Look at that.
Hell yeah.
That's huge. That is huge. That is a hell of a smallie, man.
Yeah, that is. That's beautiful.
Every time I think I don't, it's like it's a log.
Well, they are. If it's a smallmouth, it's sluggish. They're sluggish.
There's the fish. I don't know what it is.
Shit.
Oh, I ignored it.
Ooh, hang on. Really?
Tell you what, you just want to go ahead and grab the pliers and let him go or not? Or if you grab it, that's fine too. Yeah, it's hooked a little further down. I thought I saw you just got one hook.
Yeah.
Hang on, buddy. I don't know. I think you want to.
Oh yeah.
All right. A little bit. A lot of them about the same size.
Ah, you fucker. How do you get a treble hook stuck in you? Do exactly that. Pliers. Don't just worry about the fish.
I know.
Oh, he's nice.
Hey.
Hell yeah, Clark.
That is a dandy. Let me get it back on track. Yeah, go ahead. Look. Yeah, that's not. Ah, look at that.
A little lower down just a tad. There you go. All right.
Very nice. That's a good one, but they're all good ones.
Yeah. Oh. Aha.
Yeah. Looks a little, I don't know why it looks a little different.
Yeah, he's more green.
Yeah,
Ooh, yeah, he's got some battle damage. Yep. Pliers right here. Sorry, buddy, I'm trying.
Did you get it pretty good?
No, we're good. It's beautiful.
He's bleeding.
There we go. Oh, let me let off. Yep, here we go.
Yeah.
Hey, small, I got him. See, like, and this one's brown.
Yeah, the other one was green, wasn't it?
Yeah. So usually kind of got that tiger stripe look going.
In all honesty, I've never
We good still? Okay, we're just getting a little close, so I just wanted to. That's like a Texas size one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they just don't get. I mean, if you get a 3-pound smallmouth in Texas, that's like trophy.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah, they just don't get very big.